Good morning, homies. It is Monday. I am going to train Kendall at Planet Fitness. Then I have a big meeting that I have to tell you guys about, but I'll wait till later at noon. And then I have 2 clients later tonight at Brickyard. One of them being a new client, and I'm excited to get her started. Yay! So today's a busy day for me. I don't know if I'll work out. I might do a little workout in between people at Brickyard later, but I don't know. We'll see. Pink was so good last night. We had such a good time. The vlog is uploading as we speak, and it'll be up on YouTube soon. And I'll get my pictures up on my photo gallery later tonight. All right, guys? You guys, I'm trying to cash a check at the bank right now, and it's like the place to be. Look at this. That's the drive-thru at the bank. You guys, it's official, I can tell you now. My meeting at noon was at the House of Harley, and I am an official brand ambassador, which means I am part of the Harley Davidson promo team. So I will be doing promos for Harley, and I am so excited and honored and happy, and yay! Can't wait to start. You guys, just wanted to show you a glimpse of my very patriotic makeup today before I blend it all out and put eyeliner on. It's quite heinous, isn't it? But watch, I'll make it work. Better. I patted it down with my banana powder. I blended it really, really well. And then I took a makeup remover sheet and went psh, psh, and I have a little bump on this one because I think it's my eyelid. But this one looks pretty sweet, hey? Now the hair. What am I going to do with the hair? What are you doing? No, you're gonna come in our car. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, you guys. Happy 4th of July. It is Tuesday, July 4th, 2017. And we are headed to my brother's annual 4th of July barbecue blowout wiffle ball tournament. Right? And they're gonna have a pool for the kids and mixed blended drinks and beer and food, burgers, wings, all kinds of stuff. So, and you guys have probably noticed that I have not been to the gym lately. There's been no workout footage in my vlogs. I haven't been to the gym in like 3 days. Taking a little summer break, I guess you could say. And yeah, join us at the barbecue. Are you okay, Grace? Oh boy. So is that the guys section over there? It's in his bag. Take your doo-doo out. Yellow. Happy 4th.
They want you to do a Harry Carey.
Just not so fast on that.
Holy cow, here we are. Happy Ground Stadium. I really don't have a great Harry Carey impression, but I am drunk as shit, just like Harry was.
Oh my god.
I'm a butt man, some fan right here.
My teammate.
Now batting, number 11, Grace Capsule, number 11.
Go, Gracie! Go, Grace!
Out number 1.
Out number 2. How about that leg kick I taught you?
Go, Grace!
3.
Oh my goodness, Bubba, look! Look! Watch, Bubba.